You
Hi.
guys win.
Thanks, Srini, for organizing again, and thanks, Ben.
You're
My
welcome.
question is, um, you know, you said earlier, Ben, that you have interacted with the AI engine. Is there any way to capture all that so that next time you go to a problem, all that interaction is kind of used? Is this going to be just the context, or is there some way to capture, because you're telling it every time the same, probably it's making the similar kind of mistakes. So is there any way from maybe one project to the next to capture all that and transfer that, because that would become your kind of that expertise that you have over the AI engine?
I'm not sure how to answer that question. You say capture, you want to capture what you've done and continue. Is that what you're saying? Like,
I'm saying the Claude say it, like somebody asked, like, what was the error rate? So it's making mistakes and you're helping it fix those. Is there any way to capture all that? And I don't know, maybe somebody else knows. I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud whether is there a way to capture so you don't have to repeat the same or fix its mistakes in the next project?
Actually, it does. If you look at while I was writing the rules, the way I wrote the rules, it's kind of interesting. AI helps you write the rules. Now, let me go through the process. If I may, I mean, Srini, I don't want to take too much time, but this is an interesting.
No, this is live interaction. This is a lot more interesting than I hope audience agree. I think this is a lot more valuable to have you, Ben. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Well, okay. Actually, Ed asked me that question. How do you write the rules? Well, actually, it's very simple. You write a Word document as to what you want. For example, I would like the code with a prefix. I do not want to use the until with. So you write all these different rules as to what you want and what you do not want, and you give an example of what to do and what not to do. And then you feed this to AI and you upload that file and you say, write me RAG rules for this, for what I just said. It will go ahead and do it. And then you test it and say, no, you fix the rule. You fix the Word document. Actually, what you say, no, you made a mistake on this. You gave me a wrong syntax. Then you say, AI, tell me how to fix this rule. So that, because I want it to be that way, not this way, not the way you told me. So AI will go through and say, oh yeah, okay, here's how you fix it. And here's exactly where you go in your Word document and change. And change this to this, change this to this, change this to that. So you do that and you keep on going and you add more rules. Then if you want to add more rules from another document, you create another document and you go through the whole process. And after a while, you say, well, this is getting too long, and give me something that makes it faster for you. Write something, and it went ahead, and it will do that for you. Hold on a second. I'll be right back. Okay, so you AI will go ahead and rewrite something, create a new document for you so that it can understand. So this is why I have like load fast and all these. These were all created by AI. Basically took my rules and shortened them and compacted them. And it also kept a log of what was wrong and created a file about all the errors that it made. And I have a log of all the file of the errors that it made during the whole process. So the process is basically iterative. You write English, you ask AI, make a RAG out of this, what I told you. It makes a mistake. You said, you made a mistake. This is wrong. Fix it this way. Tell me how to fix it. It'll go ahead and tell you exactly how to fix it, where to change. And then you say, you know what? You want too many changes. Why don't you do it? Give me a new file and do it. Now, it does, but sometimes it doesn't. It shortens it. So you have to make sure to tell it, make sure don't skip. You know, so it's like a child or a dog that's making a mistake. So you have to watch out for things like that. But it will do it for you. So if you don't want to do the editing, it will do it for you. Does that explain?
Well, thank you. That was very insightful. Thank you.
Thank you, Ben. Yeah, Balram, go ahead. We'll give you with the last questions. Yeah, go ahead, Balram.
I was trying to say that it automatically creates a